The Polestar 2 problem has been resolved for a long time. The problem was with the auto mode of the main headlights, meaning the headlights were always on regardless of day or night. This was very inconvenient. I had to use it in manual mode, not auto mode, meaning I had to turn off the headlights during the day and turn them on at night. I have contacted several technicians with this problem. They have checked it using computer diagnostics, but no errors have been detected. The light or dark sensor is located in this part of the dashboard. We can check whether it is working or not by covering it with our hand in broad daylight. Now, when I cover it with my hand, the color of the dashboard darkens. When I release my hand, it becomes bright again. I solved the problem with this adapter. If you need it too, I'll leave a link. You can order it accordingly. We can install the adapter in the car. It is located on the left side under the dashboard. We can see the lights are on. The adapter is working. We will need to download the program from Internet. If it is an iPhone, we will go to the App Store and type vTool there. I have this program downloaded, so I'll open it directly. We have entered the program. Now let's click the Connect button. We can access our profile using our email. You will need to enter your iCloud password. I won't show you this. Here are the legal regulations. Click to accept. The machine is currently being connected. They are showing information about the car. Now I'll show you the section we need to enter. This is the activation area below. There are several categories here. We can choose the one we need. We need to choose CEM Central Electronic Module. We need a section called Reset BMS. You can see there, I reset it 2 days ago. First you must press Reset BMS and after 6 hours press Reload. It will remain at 0. Pay attention to the note here. After Reset BMS, the car cannot be driven for 6 hours, meaning the car can stand in this place for 6 hours, and then it can be driven. Now we can safely put our car in auto light mode and drive in comfort. If you found this video useful, please like it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and subscribe to the channel.